In the video description below, there is a link to this website. It is at rebeccamadeit.com/line-wave-file. And this particular image is free for your use. And on a PC, you should be able to right-click and save image as. Or I am on an Android phone, so I will long press the image, and then I have an option to download image. And on my phone, it downloads it to both the downloads folder and also my photos folder. So once you have that downloaded, then we're going to go to our Colop Create app. And then once the Colop eMark Create app opens, I have had some issues being able to save new imprints, and so what I have been doing instead is duplicating an existing image and then editing the duplicate. Again, I am on an Android phone, and so this message at the beginning, and so I just hit cancel. I will go to my imprints, and any of these will be fine. I will just pick a single line imprint, and I am going to duplicate it. And then it will ask me if I would like to edit the duplicate, and I will click OK. And then that should bring me into the editor. And then once in the editor, you can delete whatever was there already. So I just selected it, and then down at the bottom, I'm going to scroll across, click on delete, and then confirm the delete. And then so now I'm back to a clean screen. And so then we will go to add down at the bottom, to image, and then I'm going to select photo, because whenever you download it from the website, again, it may put it in either your photos folder or downloads folder. So here I see that it's in my download folder, so I'm going to click on that, and then this is the one on the left here is the one I just did today. And this image has been created specifically for this little printer, and so that way you can make it smaller, but it should load just like you see here. You can change the color of it. You also have the ability to turn on continual marking, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn that on and OK. And then once you get connected to your printer, then you can save this image and then send it to your printer. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my printer and see if I can come back and connect to the printer. Well, let's see, I do want to save this first, so I'm going to hit back so that I come back to this main screen and then hit save. And it did save successfully, so now I can go back to my main menu and choose eMark Connect. And then this screen will tell us whether it is connected or not. So mine did connect automatically as soon as I turned on my little device. And so then I will go back to the imprint that we just saved, which should now be at the top of my list. And we will send that to the printer. And it sent it successfully, so now we'll be able to practice with this print. And again, you can make this print different sizes and different colors, but I'll show you what it looks like whenever we just load it and just leave it in the black, and we've turned on continual marking. All right, so we should have the imprint has been sent to the printer already, and I will show you what it looks like by default. Again, it's set for continual printing, and I think this would be a lot of fun to do in different colors, or you can put stripes This one would be fun to also overlap. And then you can do a little bit in one direction and then come back and do it in the other direction and try to place them right next to each other for some really neat effects. And again, I think in all different types of colors, you can have a lot of fun with this particular image. So let me know if you use it. I'd love to see what you do with it. One other thought I had is you could use it for a border. This is just a blank greeting card, and we can fix it to where we only print, line up your notch to where the image, you just print half of the image along the border of the card. I think that gives a neat effect. And you could do just the top or bottom, or we may try all four sides and see what it looks like. So there's what it looks like, just the top and the bottom, but let me go in and do these other sides too. Yeah, so neat border for a card background. All right. Thanks for watching.